as NASA on an outreach program, corporate social responsibility. Can you tell us what motivated you to engage with churches and other pensioners were?
Okay. This is a big gathering that we have here at Revelation United Methodist Church. There is quite a number of circuits meeting here over Easter, so it's a cluster. And we thought that NASA services are not very well known, not yet anyway. We're on a campaign to ensure that everybody knows what NASA is all about. We also are extending our biometric registration, so we're finding that quite a few people hadn't registered. We also are giving an opportunity for people to ask queries about their pensions, in disseminating information about the current schemes that we have, as well as the soon to come schemes such as NHIS, as well as the informal sector voluntary scheme. So we also are encouraging wellness, and as such we are doing free testing of blood pressure, diabetes, hearing, eyesight, and just wellness in general. So that's what we do.
And maybe moving on, what other programs are we expecting to see being rolled out?
I think a lot is in store. I did mention the coming on of voluntary scheme, which will cover informal sector, domestic workers, as well as diaspora, and anybody else who had been left out of the current schemes. And we're also looking at other ways of enhancing service to our pensioners, and also treating our pensioners with